Huawei P20 is already confirmed as coming on March 27th, and ahead of that date we expect the Chinese company to intensify its media campaign in form of teasers and leaks. Now the hands-on video of Huawei P20 Lite. The leaked video reveals the phone design and showcase both sides, front as well as back. It appears that the phone comes with metal frame and glass body. The video also reveals that the phone will be featuring a full-screen display with 18:9 aspect ratio. The display takes up the majority area on the front panel. While the phone is rumored to be sporting an iPhone X-like notch, we can see that in the video. Also, there are no company or model branding on the front side, but at the back, Huawei is written at the lower aspect. On the back panel, the phone packs 3 camera sensors and an LED flash. From the top left corner, 2 camera sensors are lined horizontally, followed by an LED flash and another camera sensor. The camera lenses come from Leica, as the Leica branding is present in the top right corner. As for the camera specs, an earlier leak shows that the camera will be a 12MP plus 16MP plus 16MP setup with OIS and f1.8 aperture. At the front, the device packs a single 8MP camera sensor with f2.0 aperture. The device is expected to be powered by the company-owned Kirin 659 octa-core processor, which comprises of a quad-core SoC, clocked at 2.48 GHz. There is a fingerprint sensor, which is placed on the back panel. It will pack 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, with support for storage expansion using microSD card. The phone is expected to be running on Android Oreo operating system out of the box, with the company-owned MUI 8 on top. The device is powered by a 3520 mAh battery. Huawei has already confirmed that the company will be launching the Huawei P20 series phones at a press event on March 27th in Paris.